Are you confused about how to log in on your Wattpad account? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to log in into Wattpad account in a step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin our video, do hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. So without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Wattpad application. After opening your Wattpad application, you'll be able to see option join for free, and right below that you'll be able to see option if you have an account, sign in. Here you'll have to tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, here you'll be able to see various options. You can also log in into your Wattpad account using your social media platforms such as Facebook and Google. Here we'll be using the other method, that is to type your username and password in order to log in into your Wattpad account. After you have typed your username and your password, tap on start reading. And just like that, as you can see, you have successfully logged in into your Wattpad account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log in into your Wattpad account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day.